Baked chicken fillet is a quick and easy dinner idea. Find exact ingredients below. New viewers, please subscribe. Prep 4 small chicken fillets. Slice as shown, not cutting through. Season each sliced fillet with salt, pepper, and sweet paprika on both sides. If time allows, chill the fillet. Otherwise, bake right away. Mix leek, cheese, parsley, peppers, and mayo in a bowl. Season to taste. Top fillets with veggie mix. I used an air fryer, so no dish needed. Placed directly on fryer rack. Cooked at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. If using an oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Cooking time may vary with fillet size. Enjoy your meal.